Hello, Game Day Coaching members. This is Rick Storley from New Home Sales Coach, and we're looking at part 2 of the blog strategy for builders. This is going to focus specifically on remodeling. Now, if you're a home builder, don't fret. A lot of this is going to pertain to you because I'll be talking about home building in the next video, and then finally other blog posts. But what I want to do is just walk you through how this works. Again, we talked about in our last video why we're doing this, creating transparency in your company, creating social proof, showing you're busy, integrating your customers into it to build confidence with your next prospects. And ultimately what we want to do is we want to try to showcase one of your projects per month that's already sold. And when we showcase it, we're gonna do that in an open house format. So the idea here is to take a project from concept to completion and end with an open house, which would be a one-day only, set for a few hours, where you're going to promote it to the neighborhood, your database, and anyone else that will listen. Some of the notes or how this works is, number one, these are posts. So each post would be one blog post, approximately 100 to 300 words. And if we look at all these posts right now, there's about 18 of them here. The days from previous post, these really follow your schedule. I've estimated what the days are. According to this schedule, this is about 90 days, but that's going to follow your construction schedule. Here's your topics, your storyline, your suggested visuals, your quotes, the tools that you will need, the notes, and then any action items. So let's begin quickly with tools that you'll need. I suggest you start by watching this quick clip of the Slow Home Studio guys. These are the two architects in Canada, and they are doing a video blog on a daily basis. They do a really nice job. It's more elaborate than what we're going to do, but it's just a good way to get an idea of how to do it. And then I would download the main tool you need, which is TechSmith's Jing. That's exactly the type of software that I'm recording this video with. It allows you to do a voiceover and record what's on your screen. So when we get to the concept and design phase, that you will be able to describe your as-built plan, your concept plans, your concept redline plans, and then finally your final plans. So just follow the notes as you go along. As you notice here, when we get into the topics, we're going to move from plan design into a homeowner interview, demolition, excavation, framing. We just follow a construction schedule, and then when we get to the end here, we do an open house. Now over here on action plan, when we get to about trimming cabinets, you're going to want to set the date for the open house, determine your neighborhood mailing radius, and that sort of thing. Confirm your design for your mailer. Do your blog posts, as far as inviting people to the open house and so on and so forth. All the information is here that you need. This works. It's fantastic. People will show up to this open house excited. They get to meet the owners. They get to meet you. They get to meet your designer. It's great stuff. We've had fantastic conversions from this. By far the single best way to re-engage an old lead or to create new leads is by doing these open houses. Happy selling.